My shed purchase solved the biggest problem. We had to board our dogs anytime we wanted to go on vacation. It cost me more money to board the dogs than it did to go on a 12-day cruise. I found Sheds by Design and went to visit them and talk to them about what I wanted, which was actually a kennel building. It's actually the first kennel building they built, the very first building. I was the first customer. This is the best building that I have seen built, rather than the big box store. And people, when they come here to see our dogs, they love the building. I've also got a second building because I enjoyed the first one so much. It was obvious they put their whole heart in it, and we are very thankful for such a terrific job. I saw where they did their work. It was a family-run business, and I always like doing business with smaller companies rather than the big box store. And that's why I decided to choose them. I'm real happy, real happy.